Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be talking about my Morgan Stanley SQL interview questions. So please stay tuned till the end. Very important questions I'll be sharing. What kind of questions were asked will be very much clear with it. So please stay tuned. So without further delay, let's start with the first question. So first question, as you can see, the first question that was asked was accounts with no transactions in last 6 months. So two tables were given to me. The one was accounts and the other was transaction. So in the accounts table, they had given me three fields: ID, date, and amount. In transaction table, again they had given me three fields. The first is ID, date, and transaction amount. So obviously you can join it based on ID table. ID column, and try to solve this question. Again, very important question. I was able to solve this question. Let's move on to the second question. Second question was transaction on consecutive days. So again, transaction table was given to me and they wanted me to identify such transactions which were happen on the consecutive days, right? So the fields that were given was ID, amount, and transaction date. So that was another question. I was not able to solve this question, but somehow I had the logic for this question. You can use windows functions, window lag functions, and try to get the difference from two dates, and that's how we can achieve the result. The third question that was asked was employee table was given to me, right? And they wanted me to identify employee's salary more than their manager. So in this case, you can obviously apply self join, and the fields that were given was employee ID was given, employee name, manager ID, and manager name. You can consider this below table that is there. You can see employee ID is there, name, title, salary, manager ID, and department. So these all are important questions. You can prepare accordingly yourself for the interview as well. The another question that was asked was employee reporting to John Smith. So again, employee table was given to me, right? Again, the field were, if you see, employee ID is there, employee name, manager ID, manager name. So these were the fields, and you can consider this below table for your reference if you want to write a query and try to see the solution if you're able to get it or not. So yeah, so again here also you'll have to apply self join on the table. So these were the four question asked to me in a SQL interview questions. Again, very important. You can prepare yourself accordingly. The next question, based on Tableau. So for Tableau, they asked me four questions. The first being what are dimensions and measure, very basic question, but again very important to know. Even if it is a basic question, you should be able to answer it in a good way and proper way in an interview. Next question that was asked was what is RLS and how do we apply it? So RLS stand for row level security, and how do we apply it? So application is also again very important. What are filters in Tableau? Again, basic question, but you should know all kind of questions, all kinds of filters that are there in Tableau, like whether it is context filter, dimension filter, measure filter, conditional filters. So all kinds of filters that are there, you should be able to answer it. And the last question that was asked was what is context filter in Tableau and when do you apply it? So again, very important questions. So these were the questions asked for, based on SQL and Tableau. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you.